Aloha! If you're seeing this video, you just missed our live stream, but don't feel bad. It's being processed right now and will be available later on today. Um, Later on, maybe not today, after I finish editing it and getting it ready to be posted and processed, it will be available. But don't forget to, you know, check it out. Maybe hit the notification for when it becomes available so you'll know to see the walkthrough. And I want to thank you. And I want to remind you that you are not broken. You just needed tools that fit. And this is one tool set that I know because it has worked for me. And I am more than willing to help you work through this as well. So, see you in the premiere. I am going to do a premiere of this. I'll actually premiere it tomorrow. So, sorry you missed the live today, but you can catch the premiere tomorrow on Sunday at 3 p.m. Hawaiian Standard Time. Aloha.